This week, I spotted a new app that I'd never seen before called Background Replace. And that was exactly what I wanted to do earlier this week. I'm very excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet, so this will be an experiment. Let me go over and share my screen, and we'll take a look and see how well it works. I'm in my home screen on Canva, and I clicked on the apps on the left-hand side, and I don't think it's in the trending apps. I'll type in Background Replace. This changes the color from one color to another, which will be great. And here it is. One click change the background of an image. Now I'm going to use it in a new design, and I'm going to use a presentation size. You select an image to change the background. Here's a very strong background image, so we can just see how well it works. And it's just one of Canva standard photos. Let me just go now to app. And it says select the image to change. It's now come up here, and I've got to give it the prompt. Let's change it to a completely different color. If I did it to white, I might as well just use background remover. So let's change it to pink. Then just click replace and see what happens. It's taking a while. I'm not sure that just by this the complex image or not. It does have two background effects. Doesn't seem to be too happy with this. As always, I'm leaving this in real time so you can see how long some of these apps take to actually work. Although they're always slower because I'm recording at the same time. But it has changed it. It's quite a dark pink, but that works. It's successfully uploaded the media to my library. So actually, I prefer this code. It's a very handy little app to have, as I often come across backgrounds that I'd like to change because they don't go with my overall design or the website or a presentation or whatever document I'm producing. But let's try it again and make it a dark purple. This time I will speed up the length of time it takes. And that's worked as well. I did also try it with a hex color, and it didn't really work. So you will just have to give it specific instructions of the background color that you'd like to change it to in words. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.